Geometry deals with points and lines and surfaces. Now, in this diagram here, there are 8 dots and they represent points. And there are 5 lines, a circle, and 4 straight lines that are making a square. Now, if you are watching this video on a computer or smartphone, then the computer screen or phone screen is a surface that the diagram is seen on. Now, notice here, in a square, all the sides have the same length. Here, a rectangle is a 4-sided figure like this one, in which the lengths of opposite sides are same. And in this rectangle here, inside this rectangle, there are 8 dots or points, you can say. Now, here it's the same rectangle and dots, but each dot has a letter next to it. So, we can talk about the dots. So, the dot on the far left is called dot A or just A. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.